Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a set of Hosto wheels. This is the H103 20 by 9 with a +10 offset in the chrome finish. Woo. Check it out. That is a very cool looking wheel. So it's a concave style wheel, and the spokes do not extend outside of it, which is very nice, but it looks like part of this edge does. So that's something to keep in mind. The chrome on it looks awesome. And then there you have the Hosto logo, the Hosto skull logo. You guys can leave your thoughts on this in the comments section down below.